Hello, friends. Welcome back to Buckler Up America. Today we are in the back of the truck and we are going to be putting insulation on our walls behind me. Champion is working on finishing this door right here. So up here is going to have a sliding door with a soft close. And so he's going to be working on that while I start putting insulation on the walls. So join us as we embark on insulating the van, because that'll be very important, especially in the winter. It's day 2 working on the insulation and the door, and I'm going to show you some of the things that we did yesterday and what we're going to be doing today as well. So Champ finished this door yesterday, and it is a soft closed door. And you just open it up. So cool. And then, as I said yesterday, we're working on the insulation. So those are the pieces that I cut yesterday. They don't look great, but we're working on it. And then it's supposed to rain this weekend, so Champ built a makeshift back for the door. That's not how it's going to look, but that's how we're going to try to keep it as weatherproof as possible. But as I said earlier, we're going to be working on the insulation for the entire inside of the camper today, and come join us. Hey friends, just wanted to give you an update on our insulation that we've done. Let's take a look. So we have insulated the big pieces of this wall. We've also insulated, for the most part, the 2 door frames. And we've also Champ insulated the roof. So the roof is completely done for the most part. The back over there has most of it insulated, except for the one hole that we'll get plywood and stuff through. And today I'm going to be working on this side over here, the big pieces first, and then we'll go back in and insulate the smaller pieces. So join us for the journey. Hey friends, we're back at the farm. Champ has been working really hard. As you can probably see, we took the roof rack off to put the solar panels back on. And so that is off right now, but we're about to put it back on. But Champ has been doing a whole lot of work off camera. But let's take a look-see. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, it looks so good. So we finished the insulation. We've got the flooring done. He started doing some plumbing and obviously electrical. We got lights now. That's so exciting. And he put the fan in. And then I don't know what any of this is. I think this is electrical stuff. But yeah, he did all of the electrical stuff. Right back here, this is where our window is going to be. But this is so exciting. We've got so much progress done. Right over there, that's, like I said, this is where the bathroom will be. So we've got the shower and the toilet water tubes for that. It looks so great. I'm so happy. While we were here on the farm, Champ went ahead and finished the back, so it's now closed off except for where the window's going to be. He'll cut that out later. But we've got this all taken care of as well. So the back is done and painted, and the inside is looking so great. I'm so excited. Thanks for joining us.